guys, for today's video, I'm going to discuss kinds of movement terminologies with an example and with a twist.
Twist? What does that mean?
I'm going to use different kinds of movement terminologies with our training. So, are you guys ready? Let's go!
Movement terminologies. Movement terminologies is anatomical terms of movement describe the action of muscles on the skeleton, and it used by healthcare professionals in assessment and documentation. There's a lot of types of movement terminologies. First is extension. This example is extension of right arm and left foot at the same time. Extension movement is a straightening motion that increases the angle between two body parts. Observe my right arm. That's an example of extension. Next is flexion. This is an example of flexion of right arm. Flexion is a movement that decreases the angle between two bones in a joint. Observe my right arm. That's an example of flexion. Hyperextension. This is an example of hyperextension of right arm. Hyperextension is a joint injury that occurs when a joint is forced beyond its normal range of motion. Observe my right arm. That's an example of hyperextension. Abduction. This is an example of abduction of right leg. Abduction is a body movement that moves limb away from the body's midline. Observe my right foot. That's an example of abduction. Adduction. This is an example of adduction of right leg. Adduction is a movement of body parts or joints towards the body's midline. Observe my right leg. That's an example of adduction. Circumduction. This is an example of circumduction of right arm. Circumduction is a type of body movement where a body part moves in a circular or conical motion. Observe my right arm. This is an example of circumduction. Left and right rotation. This is an example of left and right rotation of upper body. Left and right rotation movements are twisting motion that can occur in the body at the shoulder, hip, and intervertebral joints. Observe this example left and right. This is an example of left and right rotation. Internal rotation. This is an example of internal rotation of left ankle. Internal rotation is a rotational movement that moves a limb towards the body's midline. Observe my right ankle. This is an example of internal rotation. External rotation. This is an example of external rotation of right ankle. External rotation is a rotational movement that occurs when the anterior side of the body segment moves away from the body's midline. Observe my right ankle. This is an example of external rotation. Supination. This is an example of supination of both arms. Supination is a rotational movement that involves turning the palm of the hand upward. Observe my both arms. This is an example of supination. Pronation. This is an example of pronation of both arms. Pronation is a natural movement of the body that involves the internal rotation of the limb. Observe my both palm. That is an example of pronation. Plantar flexion. This is an example of plantar flexion of both feet. Plantar flexion is a movement of pointing your toes away from your body. Observe my both feet. That's an example of plantar flexion. Dorsiflexion. This is an example of dorsiflexion of the feet. Dorsiflexion is the action of bending the foot or hand upward from the body. Observe my foot. This is an example of dorsiflexion. Opposition. This is an example of opposition of fingers. Opposition is a hand movement that involves touching the pad of a finger with the thumb of the same hand. Observe my thumb and fingers. This is an example of opposition. Elevation. This is an example of elevation of shoulder. Elevation is a type of body movement that refers to moving a body part in an upward direction. Observe my shoulders. This is an example of elevation. Depression. This is an example of depression of shoulder. Depression is a downward movement of a body part. Observe my shoulders. This is an example of depression. Lastly is a lateral flexion. This is an example of lateral flexion of upper body. Lateral flexion is a movement of the body or neck to the side. Observe my upper body. This is an example of lateral flexion.